Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we will explore the virtual agents in HRST, a powerful tool designed to automate HR interactions, improve employee self-service and reduce the workload on HR teams. In this session, we will cover what the HR agents is and how it works in HRST, how to configure virtual agent topics and scripts, integrating virtual agents with HR cases and employee center, best practices for optimizing virtual agents interaction. Let's dive in. What is virtual agent? The virtual agent is an AI-powered chatbot in ServiceNow that allows employee to get quick answers to HR-related questions without needing direct HR agent intervention. Role of virtual agent in HRST. It automates common HR inquiries like leave requests, payroll queries, and benefits information. Provides 24 by 7 self-service support for employees. Key features and capabilities: natural language processing for human-like conversation, then predefined HR topics and FAQs to guide employee efficiently, then ability to escalate issues to HR agents when needed. Virtual agents when versus HR cases. Virtual agents is designed for quick interactions, while HR cases handle complex issues. Employees can initiate case creation from virtual agent if their request requires further assistance. Employee self-service with virtual agent. Employee can access virtual agents from desktop, mobile, or employee center portal. Provides a chat-based experience to help employee find information or submit request seamlessly. Configuring virtual agent topics. To make the virtual agent more effective, organization need to configure custom topics and scripts. Creating virtual agent scripts. Scripts define how the virtual agent guides conversation and responds to employee queries, can be configured with decision trees and preset replies for structured responses. Defining HR conversation topics. Common topics include leave request, payroll issues, HR policies, and IT support. ServiceNow provides pre-built conversation flows that can be customized. Then adding FAQs for employees. Employees can ask common HR related questions and get instant responses from the knowledge base. For example, how do I apply for parental leave? Virtual agent provides a step-by-step guide. Then automating response with knowledge. Virtual agents can pull answer directly from HR knowledge base articles, reduces case volumes by resolving frequent inquiries automatically. So let's explore virtual agents on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we write virtual agent, so this is a virtual agent designer from where we can design different virtual agents. Like these are some pre-built virtual agents. Like if you open this one, then this contains a proper flow, a step-by-step flow. Like this is the start and then it collects information. If we open this, then this is the node name and then action expression and then the other step, and in this way it moves step by step. And if we test this, so this is the interface of you can say that and virtual agent when we request through a portal. Like if we refresh this, oh, it's taking some time to loading. So this is the interface of, you can say, that virtual agent. We can type our query here and it will guide us step by step. And from this designer we create the new virtual agents according to our requirements and needs. These are some pre-built virtual agents. So in this way it shows us different options, and like if we want live agent support, and it is showing that there are no agents available at the moment, please try again later, thank you for using our support chat. So in this way the virtual agents work, and we can design the new one for HR from this design. Then integrating virtual agent with HRSD. Virtual agent is most effective when integrated with HR cases, employee center, and HR workflows. And connecting virtual agents to HR cases, employee can initiate case creation if their issue isn't resolved through virtual agent. Cases are automatically designed to appropriate HR teams based on request types. Then escalating chats to HR agents. If the virtual agent cannot resolve an issue, it can seamlessly transfer to chat to a live HR agent. This ensures employee always get the help they need without frustration. Then virtual agent in employee center. The virtual agent is embedded within the employee center portal, allowing employee to chat directly from their dashboard. Help guides employee to relevant HR services, forms, and knowledge articles. Then monitoring virtual agent success. HR teams can track virtual agent performance using chat analytics and employee feedback matrices include resolution rate, escalation rate, and user satisfaction scores. Then best practice for virtual agents. To maximize the benefits of virtual agents, follow the best practices. Designing helpful conversation. Use clear, simple language to ensure employee easily understand responses. Structure conversation to anticipate different employee needs. Then enhancing employee engagement. Provide a friendly conversational tone to make interactions feel more natural. Allow employees to rate responses and provide feedback for continuous improvement. Reducing agent workloads. Automate high volume repetitive HR queries like benefits enrollment, PTO request, and policy lookups. Redirect complex cases to HR agents only when necessary. Then real world virtual agent examples. Example 1, an employee asks, uh, what is my remaining PTO balance? Virtual agents retrieve the data from HR records and display it instantly. Then example number 2 is like a new hire asks, how do I submit my tax forms? Virtual agents links them to the correct form and explains the submission process. Then an employee has a issue with the payroll but needs human assistance. Virtual agents create an HR case and assign it to payroll. That's wrap up on our introduction to virtual agents for HRSD. Today we covered how virtual agents automates HR inquiries and improve self-service, configuring virtual agent topics, scripts and FAQs, inter- integrating virtual agent with HR cases and employee center, best practices for optimizing virtual agent conversation. By implementing virtual agents, HR teams can enhance employee experience, improve efficiency, and reduce case volumes. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.